Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting chatbot which is specially designed for research. So if you ask any question to any chatbot, so it will generate answer from its database it having. So this AI chatbot is specially having research papers as its database and it will generate answers for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI chatbot, and we will give some research prompts and let us check how it will work out for us. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of it. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop, MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and application. In this workshop, we are going to model that is design parameters of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation with PI controller and PID controller with proper tuning, and then we are going to incorporate it with different types of renewable energy sources like PV and wind energy sources. So after that, what we are going to do is we are going to make it as an application by attaching it with EV charging stations, that is electrical vehicle charging station. So this is how this converters will very helpful for us to make our work stabilized for EV charging station and many applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is the txyz.ai. So integrate all paths and knowledge. They commonly use txyz. So discover academic papers and align there with research interests. So just click on that. So you can give start for free. So it will lead to a dashboard like this here. So before that, you have to log in with your mail ID. So here you can see that this is a free chatbot. So here in this chatbot, in order to explore, as I have already explored with some research prompt, a normal prompt what we often ask. So in this I have asked to explain about renewable energy. So here you can see that renewable energy refers to the energy that is collected from resources that are naturally replenished on a human time scale, such as sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves and geothermal heat. The sources of energy are considered renewable because they are continuously available and do not deplete over time. Next, these are the types of renewable energy, benefits of renewable energy, and you can see challenges and considerations related with that renewable energy, global impact. So this is how the content is generated. So it's a unique chat. I can say it is a unique chatbot because many of the chatbot will give that is a linked with the ChatGPT. What are the contents which is generated by ChatGPT will be showcased here, but this is somewhat different. So let us explore with some different prompts, research prompts. So in this I am going to ask generate an abstract for the research paper titled battery management in electric vehicle charging station. So like that, I am going to give an input prompt in about 250 words. I often use it to say a good abstract must be between 200 to 250 words. So let us see how it will generate content for us. So here you can see that the very important thing related with this particular chatbot is, so it will find the papers related with the battery management and then only it will generate answers. So I am going to select, it is asking for English. So here tell us more, that is easy to understand, complete, correct format other. So I am going to say easy to easy to understand and then click on submit. So by according to the feedback we are giving, so it will generate content for us. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see the important thing in this txyz chatbot is that it will suggest the questions. So and then it will retrieve the paper related with the topic we have searched for. It is not generating the abstract. The important thing is that, so it will give the, it acts as a search engine, it will give the relevant papers related with our research. So here we have asked related that battery management system, like that we have asked for. So here you can see that to provide you with an accurate information on the common factors affecting battery life in management system, I will search for relevant research papers. Let me retrieve this information for you. Common factors affecting battery life in management system include battery modeling, state estimation, degradation, monitoring and integration issues. So here for reference one, for a comprehensive review on battery modeling and state estimation. So here you can see this is the paper related with battery modeling. I am opening in a new tab. Let us see. So here you can see that this is the paper which is suggested for us for the question we have asked for. So let us see other papers also. So here the second paper is that a review on the key issues of the lithium ion battery degradation among the whole life cycle. Next, integration of issues of lithium ion battery in electric vehicles battery pack. So next you can see that battery management systems in electric and hybrid vehicles. Like that, what are the questions we asked? So it will generate the relevant papers related with that particular search. So it will act as a better search engine and also as a chatbot also. So here I am going to ask about explain different MPPT techniques employed in solar PV system. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how this txyz generate content for us. The important thing is that it will find papers related with the question we have asked for. That is very important. So it is not having database, it is only having research papers. That is very important. So after that it will present the thing. So here you can see that. So here you can see this. These are the some of the papers related with the particular question we have asked for. Explain about different MPPT techniques employed in solar PV system. So I recommend the following papers for comprehensive understanding of MPPT techniques in solar PV system. So here you can see that reference one for a general review. So here next one, the first one will be the comprehensive review of maximum power point techniques used in solar PV system. So this one will be very helpful for us to analyze that particular content we have asked for. So next one for a novel fuzzy logic approach. Next one is performance evaluation of various MPPT methods. So like that, the most relevant research paper related with our input prompt will be generated here. So like that, this txyz is a better search engine and AI chatbot to generate answer for us. For common answer, you can give this give an input prompt like that. So like that, explain about renewable energy. So like that, whatever you want you can ask. So other than that, you can make a list of references using this txyz also. This tool is especially designed for research purposes. So you can make use of this txyz to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video give an aware about this txyz AI chatbot and a search engine. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.